hi.
Hindi na pinakabarat.
The end.
Beans and Books Cafe.
Kape.
Hindi man na nila mga prices. May juice.
Hindi rin ang chicken.
Doon ka na, adi.
Mine.
Kabong gaman na rin. Sorry.
Kabalik.
I'm done.
Yung totoo, do you really need validation from other people?
No. Sino ang huling taong nagparamdam sa'yo na hindi ka importante? So, loving environment.
Yeah.
Sana all.
Ikaw magbabasa kung ito magbabasa.
As in? Okay. Marley. I pray to God that He guides you in everything you do and bless your heart with so much love because you deserve it. Laika, I'm so happy that you finally found someone who will love you as much as I do.
Bagan, ano ba yun? Ano man din ka, kasal na friends, maybe.
Practice ko talaga yun.
Ano na nga. BMIN.
Ay!
Happy Valentine's. Thank you for spending your Valentine's with us. I will miss you. See you soon. Love, love. Dear Yang, Happy Valentine's. Thank you for this day. Thanks for this effort. You're so sweet as always. Stay what you are.
Thank you, I love you.
Napakaswerte ko. Dance, napakaswerte ko. Ibo kayo.
Balit.
Napakastick mo ng friend ka.
Aww.
Magwada naman ako na. Kaya may nag-response. Nag-reply.
I thought that. Love you, dong.
Asya na.
So happy to have you, dong.
I know.
So, para na rin yung
O, di ba pwede? May dalang to yun. Oh, good line doon.
Love you, dong. Love you, dong.
Oo.
At least, honey, punta na tapos may explanation.
Di rin mo ko nagkakalimtan. Kaya wala na nakamiss siya.
Pasensyahin na.
Wala kang lutuan?